Guys, hello everyone. Welcome to Adadiche Blog TV today. Thank you. Welcome for the program today. So, guys, if you are first time of coming, please share the video, like and subscribe to YouTube channel, and join us also in a Facebook. Okay. So we are going to talk about cheating in marriage, what it causes, and um, what it causes in marriage, what it brings, and what it causes. So we are going to be live in Facebook and also in YouTube. So we are right live now in YouTube. You can also join us in Facebook, okay? If you don't have YouTube account, you can join us in Facebook. Please share the video. Immediately come, share the video, like and share. Thank you for joining. God bless you. Please share the video. Like and share. Share and share. Subscribe to my YouTube if you never subscribe. So guys, we are going to be talking about marriage. Cheating on marriage, cheating in marriage, what it brings and what it costs. That is going to be our topic today. So by this time tomorrow, come in because we are going to be having this program Saturday and Sunday. So you want to know more about the teaching, you can also follow me in my Facebook, Adadiche Blog TV 2. That is where you are going to. If you want to know anything about our evangelist Chuebuka and also about Zion, so go to Adadiche Blog TV page and here as well. This is what we are going to be discussing in this platform. Okay? Please share the video. Hello. The Whites, welcome. Good evening. How are you doing? Welcome. Please help me share the video. Share the live broadcast so that other people will come in. Happy weekend to you all. Happy weekend. Welcome, Maria. Welcome. Good evening. Hello. What is your name? What's your name? Okay, Adadiche. I'm Adadiche. I'm okay, baby. Where are you from? Sweetie, oh, better here. I'm from Nigeria. Okay, speak Italian. You want me to speak Italian? Maria. Ok, ok, io provo, ma non è abbastanza perfetto per parlare italiano, capito? If I speak Italian. Ok, benvenuto in mio canale. Oggi parliamo di matrimonio, sposa, sposo, sposa. Eh, ciao, hello, ciao, hello. Ok, parliamo di matrimonio. Io parlo di matrimonio anche le religioni come parola di Gesù, tutti quanti. Che bene, non lo so se io parlo bene in italiano, io non parlo tanto bene italiano, sai, abbastanza, abbastanza. Adesso arrivo perché io voglio accendere nel Facebook per qualcuno che non ha in YouTube, anche può guardare il Facebook. Arrivo, io sto scrivendo, arrivo, guys. Mi piacere, mi manda fuori da amici. Ok, puoi parlare anche inglese, so capire, grazie. Grazie mille, grazie per quello, grazie. Oh my God, oh mio Dio. Per piacere mi fai piaciuto di questo video, per piacere. Se tu piaci il mio video, il mio canale, per piacere aiutami anche share the video, ok? Where are you from? Okay, I'm from Nigeria, Nigeria. Do you like my program? I'm from Nigeria. You can see I put on my native wear. I don't know, do you like my native wear? I put on today my native wear. I dress like, this is how we are from Biafra, Igbo land in Nigeria. This is how we dress. Wow, me, America. Ah, okay, you are from America. Tu vivo qua in Italia, perché tu scrivi Italia molto bene. Tu vivo qua? Lucy Bozzi, Lucy, welcome. Lucy, welcome. Thank you for joining, Lucy. Thank you for joining, Lucy. Thank you for joining Adadiche Vlog TV program today. God bless you. So we are live in the Facebook and the YouTube. So you can watch me from any angle. If you don't have YouTube, you don't go to YouTube, you can also watch me on Facebook at the same name, Adadiche Vlog TV. I'm using my second platform in Facebook, Adadiche Vlog TV too, okay? Because I have a lot of platform in Facebook. So I'm using Adadiche Vlog TV. Thank you so much. Welcome everybody. Welcome. I really appreciate you. If you are watching me, highly welcome. Thank you so much. If you are watching me for Facebook, welcome. Thank you. I greet you all according to your time of your location, wherever you are watching me right now. So may God bless you for joining. Yes, today we are going to be talking about cheating in marriage. Cheating is not good. A lot of African people, a lot of African men, they believe that cheating is nothing. So in case if you are understanding my language, because I don't know, a lot of people, I don't know whether they understand the English I'm speaking. So in Africa here, a lot of people said cheating is normal, is nothing. More especially when it comes to a man, they will tell you that it's a normal thing. An African man can marry as much as he like. I ask myself and I ask question. Where is he in where is he in a book or in a dictionary or in a law that they make that law? You don't understand me. So I keep on asking. So because of the belief on that, people believe that man can cheat, man can do as he like, is a man. They always put everything in the head of women. And whenever things happen, they always like to blame women. So if a man is cheating, and a woman also cheats, you will see that they will put all the blame all the blame on that woman and said the woman not supposed to cheat. Is a woman. It's not like if a man cheating, he will be cheating. Two of them don't need to cheat. Nobody have the right to cheat each other. That is why you see sometimes in Igbo land, if the man start misbehaving or doing anyhow in life, the woman will go extremely far even to meme the person, kill the person or whatever, that kind of stuff. I don't want to use the language for the Facebook or here or YouTube because there is some language you don't need to use in case. So I know how to speak little English. Sorry if I write badly. No problem, Maria. You don't need to say sorry. Right? You're okay. What you are writing is okay, okay? It's okay. No problem. If there is any correction, we can also correct ourselves. Nobody is above mistake. Okay? Thank you so much, Maria. God bless you. I really appreciate you, okay? For those that are watching in Facebook too, thank you so much. Always share my video to your friends, your loved ones, or any platform, because this program is going to be holding every Saturday and Sunday, unless I just want to post my ordinary what they call it, content. How old are you? Wow, I just celebrated my 45 years. Like today is 2 weeks I did my party, and 15 years marriage anniversary. Yeah, somebody is asking me how old I am. So I'm 45 by God's grace, August last month. So I hope it's okay. Okay, so a lot of men cheat, more especially cheating is everywhere. But it's not a good thing. It brings disasters in marriage, it brings a lot of things. So I'm going to be mentioning the causes and what it brings in marriage, in a home. Because cheating can bring a disaster. Because you say a disaster, so it can bring a lot of things in your home. You bring your happy, disorganized, commotion, untrust. Bring a also, it bring it bring a lot of bad things. It doesn't bring good things. Just like it causes a lot of commotion in the family. That is why you don't need to cheat. You have to be careful. Even if I am Italian, I am not English. I am not English, not a little Italian. I live in Milan. Wow. Maria, thank you. So you live in Milan. Thank you. So how is Milan people? I hope they are doing great. My greetings to them. No problem. You are welcome to my platform. Do you like my platform? Do you like what what I'm doing? Because you need to ask your audience if they like what they are saying in your platform. Then you can know where to amend and where to go, where to start and how to do it. So I ask you guys, I hope you guys like the program, like my content. So if you like, thank you so much. You can also tell me in the comment section, and God bless you as you do so. So guys, this live stream is going to last at least by God's grace 2 hours or 1 hour plus. So we are going to teach a lot of things, because a lot of people have to a lot of people need to know the consequences, things that can this cheating in marriage can cause. It can cause in marriage, can also cause in your life, in the life of your woman, in your life of your man, your partner. Because some people see it as a lifestyle, which is not good. Do you understand me? Which is not a lot of marriages today. Why they are divorced? Why there is many divorces today? Why there is many things? Is because of this cheating. Like I said before, African man believe that cheating is nothing. More especially when it comes to a man. Please, I would like you to give us in comment section your opinion and your contribution, because your comment also can help me, can ginger me more. Your comments, and you can also, if you're watching YouTube, you can also super chat me to support this program. And if you're watching on Facebook, you can also send me a star to support also this program. So today I really dressed like African woman because I want to talk about this marriage. So I believe I decided to say, okay, since every weekend, Saturday, Sunday, I will be dressing this way to also talk about this marriage, so that I will give you good example. Because a lot of people, welcome, good afternoon, Sammy. Aisha, welcome. Thank you so much. Good evening. Thank you for coming. God bless you. If you are watching for YouTube, thank you so much. If you are watching for Facebook, you are highly welcome. God bless you. So a lot of marriages have problems, serious one, because of this cheating I'm talking about. Have caused a lot of commotion in marriages, have caused a lot of depressions. A lot of people went to depression today because of what they are seeing in their marriages. You have to stop. Now, let us not to use the language of the African man. You can do whatever you like to do. And start deceiving yourself. It cause a lot of many things. It destroys. It brings destruction. Not only in that marriage, it brings destruction for your life. You are doing well. Thank you so much. God bless you, Sammy. God bless you for Facebook. It costs a lot of things. That is the reason why we have to be careful what we do in the name of we are living a lifestyle. In the name of we are living the kind of life we wanted. I have my life to live. You cannot tell me what to do. If you don't even have your life, I bet you. If you say it's lie, let's bet it. You don't have your life. Because your life, you don't have it. You may say, let me live my life the way I want it. Maybe tomorrow I'm going to be repent. Tomorrow you don't know what tomorrow will be. It's better you listen to this program and keep on changing, for amending your ways. Change, more especially the men. I'm going to first men particularly. I know that with the women also, if you are cheating, it's very bad. It's very bad on men. That one is very, very wrong. But I want to focus on men today. Tomorrow I may focus on women, because this program is 2 days program I do. Saturday, Sunday by 7 p.m. African time, which will be in Europe here in our side 8 p.m. And it's going to be lasting 2 hours. So I decided now I will be being in Facebook and YouTube, so that people that cannot be able to go to YouTube can watch for Facebook. People that are not be able to go to Facebook can also watch in YouTube. By special grace of our Lord Jesus Christ, I believe that I'll be giving you guys what I'm made for. Enough is enough. We need to talk about this. You know how to speak a bit Italian. I am not an expert in English. You can read the message. Ah, Maria, I'm sorry. Mi dispiace perché io anche non so parlare bene italiano. Come che io dico prima che io sto parlando qualcosa sposa. In matrimonio, come che si vivono insieme come due persone che marito muore. In Africa lo credo che uomo fai come che vuole, vai fuori a fare qualcosa che un'altra donna, che non è di muore. Che io stai dicendo che non è buono, non è qualcosa buono, non è qualcosa giusto. Non va bene per un marito o marito o moglie che vai fuori a cercare un'altra donna o cercare un altro uomo. Ha capito? Tu mi hai detto che spiegare in Italia, ma io spiego un poco come che... Non è che io abbastanza parlo italiano, non è... Credimi, io non è perfetto, ok? Io voglio spiegare Maria in YouTube, perché io c'è anche mia... come si chiama? Audience che mi guardano in YouTube. Anche tante persone che mi guardano in YouTube, loro non sono africani. Non africana. Adesso io parlo inglese a poco, a italiano poco, ma comunque ascoltami bene, io non è perfetto in italiano, perché io preferisco parlare inglese. Anche questo inglese non è inglese giustissimo. Inglese che anche qualcuno che non è andato a scuola, anche può capisce un po' bene. C'è uno inglese che si chiama Broken Button in mio paese. Ok? Io uso questo inglese per capire. Se uno che non è andato a scuola, non sai parlare bene, giusto, inglese proprio quello giusto. Io parlo un po' quello, un po' di quello, un po' anche nostra madrelingua. Sì. io parlo tutto. Per qualcuno che non capisce anche bene inglese, che capisce io nostra lingua. Ok, mi scusi per tutti che non capisce anche italiano che io sto a spiegare. Oh my God, I'm talking London. I don't enter one chance. You are beautiful. You know anywhere or 12 years old does not do anything. Why don't you read my message? I love you to you. Ah, Maria, thank you so much. You are beautiful. You know anywhere or 12 years old does not do anything. Are you looking to cercare qualcuno per lavoro o per qualcosa? Non hai capito questo parola, questo che è scritto 12 years, 12 anni che non fai niente, non ho capito quello Maria. Ok Maria, non capisco questo che è scritto bene, anche poi scritto in Italia, anche io capisco bene, per leggere anche capito un po', ha capito, poi scrivo anche in Italia, io leggo bene, leggo bene. Ok, so, if you are that type, believing on yourself that cheating is nothing, I will pose it, I will give you reason why it is bad. You see, how the message comes is how I'm going to deliver it. A lot of people are in mess today because of cheating. A lot of marriages are scattered, shattered. A lot of commotion in some of the families, some of marriages today, that a lot of things is happening. And sometimes people don't think about future. They always think about themselves. Then themselves. Do you understand the language I use now? People think about the current thing that happening, that nothing mega. Something is not happening. But you forget about the future of your children if you're the type that have children. You forget about the future of the family. Because when you destroy it during your time of reigning, then when you are no more, what kind of legacy are you leaving for your children? That is what you ask yourself first. Because when you are doing that, don't think that tomorrow you have a child and that child starts doing the same thing. You don't have much to talk because you did not guide him or her the word of God. You did not teach him that this fornication is bad, this adultery is bad, this cheating is not okay. You will never have the mind to direct or correct that person. That's your children, or your child. So that is why you have to live good example for your children, for your loved one, for your family, for your wife. By the way, why is it that men always talk about, baby, I love you, my wife is the best, I love my wife more than any other thing. But still yet they have the guts to go out there telling another woman again, I love you, and doing what you're not supposed to do. And some of men will be proud of doing it. When I finish with men, I'll go to women. They will be proud of doing it. And telling that I'm a woman, I have the right to have numerous women, I have the right to do whatever I want to do. I have the right to, you don't have any rights as far as the marriage is concerned. As far as you have give that vow, you have agreed together to be a husband and wife. And when you does that, if it is a mistake, because sometimes mistake can occur, nobody knows, nobody is perfect. Admit in your mistake. Don't take it as a work. Don't take it as a pride. Do as you want, because you are a man. I hate that word, I'm a man. I have a right to cheat. This is very common in Africa. Very, very common. That is why you see a lot of women undergoing serious pains in their marriages today. Because some of the men are suppressing women and telling them you can't do anything. If you don't want to marry, can leave the marriage and go to your father's house. When you know that you are wrong what you are doing. And that woman, when he said, a lot of them will go extremely far between their wives. Because he is correcting you for what you are doing that is bad, that is not good. And you go extremely far to correct that, to beat that woman, and you even go ahead insulting the parents, insulting the families for the sin you are committing. For the sin you are committing. You will be there insulting and claiming rights upon that, upon what something you are doing that you know do very well. Now this thing I'm doing is not good. Is not good. So cheating brings a lot of destruction. Number one, is going to bring you down. You are doing it in the name of that you're a man. Nobody can tell you what to do. You are free to do whatever you want to do. If forgetting that sleeping with another woman that is not your wife can cause you a lot of damages in your house, in your marriages, in your family. It can cause a lot of things that you cannot even believe. It can cause a lot. It can bring quarreling between you and your wife. It can bring a disaster. It can stop your progress. It can stop your progress. Don't you know that even going around sleeping with him, more especially the worst part of it is when a man going and sleeping with a married woman. That is the worst thing, the worst one. So if you are doing such thing, you need to stop it, because it's a bad thing and it cannot help you. You need to stop it and focus in your marriage. Focus in your marriage and make sure that you respect your wife. Because going out there, seeing another woman, where you have a beautiful wife at home, you are letting your wife down. You are not letting your wife down. You are insulting her. Some of them go extremely far, going and sleeping with somebody that their wife is more better than. Going far to sleeping with their wife's friends. Some even go far sleeping with their mother-in-law, sister-in-law, their step-daughter. That man is insane. So when the woman talk, he say, "Yeah, but man, I have right to do this." He don't have any rights. Cheating bring a lot of disasters. Cheating bring a lot of havoc, bring a lot of destruction, commotion in the family. You have sleepless nights. You cause that woman depression. When the woman talk, the worst part when the woman talk, you shut up in her mouth and claim that I'm a man. You need to stop it. You bring you down. If you are doing like you are doing business or do anything, you see as you will be going down gradually without knowing. You bring disrespect. You will not have respect. You bring disrespect for your wife as well. More especially if you come in the case of that the person you are dating or the person you are cheating with knows your wife. Do you know that it can bring a premature death for your wife, even yourself? Because some desperate women, desperate ladies, when you come across them, they can send your wife earlier grave. More especially those people you are dating may know your wife too well, and your wife don't know them. You may be eating with them, you will know that that person is eating the same food she is eating. That person might do dangerous thing, don't you know? A lot of people don't know it might do dangerous thing that you don't even think of. For the fact that the first day you try it and make attempt, anything can happen. From that day, I don't know how to put it, that they bring commotion in your family. That day you bring disastrous in your home. That day you bring disrespectful in your home. That day you bring unhappiness in your home. That day you bring a lot of commotion in your home. That day you bring disrespect your wife. You will not expect that wife to be worshiping you as her king. You will not expect that wife to be worshiping you as her Lord. You will not expect that wife to be worshiping you because you are nothing anymore. Because he cannot be prophesying or saying, he love me, he love me. At the end of the day, you go there loving another woman. In the name of you, some of them, you be African man, don't have any rights. As far as marriage is concerned, I pay the buy price of that woman. You don't have any right to speak with another man. A lot of people tell because of what happened in olden days, where our forefathers, great fathers, they are married 200 years wives, and they believe in they have purpose of doing that during the time of war or during their own time. They are needed people. They like people that are doing. Nobody is a polygamy family will allow his son or his daughter to indulge into that kind of family, that kind of marriage. Number one, you will not have peace of mind. You will die restlessly. You will not have peace of mind. Number two, your life is at stake. Be you the man and the woman. Your life is at stake. It might also carry diseases from there. And the worst part of it is that the world or the man, when he had this thing, maybe have problem, he brings sickness or whatever into he will now label it that is the woman. Because everything they believe is woman. Everybody always accuse women. Even when the man is cheating, when they want to judge, they can say, he's a man now. I hate that language. I hate that language. He's a man. I hate it so much. If you're a man, you need to respect yourself. You need to respect yourself. You not take because of you're a man. Then you start doing anyhow and telling us you are a man. That is where people got it wrong. I don't want this thing to be reflecting the light up there. Let me off the light first. Welcome. If you are watching for YouTube, thank you so much. Welcome. I think the light is okay like this. So how are you seeing the light? I hope it's okay like this. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I off the lights up there because it was reflecting. Okay, thank you so much for YouTube people. God bless you. Please like the video, share the video. Like the video, share the video. So it brings a lot of things, it brings a lot of disasters, it brings a lot of commotion in the family. So, like as I said before, you are engaging your life in danger. You are engaging your life in danger. Your life is in danger. Your wife's life is in danger. Your children's life also in danger. Because there is desperate women out there looking for who to divorce, looking for who they would scatter his home, looking for who they will remove his wife and become the third or 200 million wives. A lot of women don't care. They don't care. what will come out. And for the facts, you go to them. For the facts, you look for them. That day is the day you bring problem upon your life. That day is the day you invited devil in your marriage. That day is the day you invited devil in your marriage. Because some of people will say, it's devil's work. You are the devil. Because the day you even plan them, that is the day it become devil. Do you see devil? You are the devil. Because you invited the fly to come into your house, to your family. So you are the devil. So it brings a lot of things. It causes a lot of damages. Imagine you got there carrying a woman, and this woman, you didn't go test. Maybe you go and check if this woman has any sickness or whatever. You go there and start sleeping with that woman, and it gives you sickness. Then you take the sickness, carry the sickness, come home and meet your wife. If anything happened tomorrow, he said it's the woman. He is the one that gave you sickness. Why you are the one that brought it upon yourself? Like as I said, you will never have peace. Then you have divided your marriage, your happiness into pieces. You are divided. Imagine if you are doing something. Let me ask you. Some people that say is their rights. Men have the right to do this. Why is that moment that man is doing that and is hiding? If you know that is a proper thing to do, it doesn't matter anything. He's a man. He can do whatever. So why is he hiding? A question I ask, why is he hiding that time that he's doing that? If that is doing is good. He's not supposed to hide. He's supposed to be doing it openly as a man, that he has right to cheat. As a man, he has right to cheat. You need to do it openly. Openly. You don't need to hide. Because whatever you are doing and you're hiding, meaning that it's not good. It's a sin. You yourself know that you are not doing good. So why are you hiding if it is a good thing you are doing? This is the question we have to ask ourselves. It brings disgrace. I think I have mentioned a lot of what it brings and what it costs. It brings a disgrace. Because that thing you are hiding, as a man, he claims an African man, he have right to do whatever, clinical. Then why are you hiding if you have right to do? Why are you not doing it openly where your wife will see it, since it is a good thing? Why are you not doing it openly where other people see it? But when you get to marry a wife, you do it openly where you call friends and well wishers, and your family are there with you, celebrate with you. Thank you, Tonight TV. So God bless you. Wow, beautiful. God bless you, my dear. So why you got people to escort you? He married that wife legally. He married her churchly or Christian way, court way, whatever. Anyhow, he married, as well as he paid the bike price. That is the ego of a woman. So if that is the pride of a woman, he pay and they marry. Then when you are cheating, question like they ask, so if you are watching me for Facebook or YouTube, so why are you hiding that time you are cheating if what you are doing is right? If what you are doing is right, why did you hide? That is question. That is why I say a lot of people will come and say, it's not anything, it's normal thing, it's a man, and the worst part of it, when a man, you are married to a woman, and you are looking the nyash of another person's wife. That is the worst thing that can never happen. It has destroyed your future. It has destroyed your life. It has destroyed your home. It has destroyed your marriage. It has destroyed things around you. Unless you repent, you change and become a new person and ask God for forgiveness. Please, if you are Facebook, so help me and help me share the video. Help me share the video. If you are on YouTube, you can subscribe to the channel and share the video, please, so that other people will start coming. You can also subscribe to my son's channel, Children TV show. He's an artist. So you see, so it brings a lot of disaster, it brings a lot of problem in the family. Okay, let's go to the women. Assuming that you married a wife, okay, you are doing this now. Before I go to the women, you are doing this. Your daughter married or your son don't marry. And you are seeing your son doing such a thing. So what will be your fate? How do you correct that your son? What kind of encouragement, advice are you going to give that your son? Because you can never give him encouragement. You can never direct him. You can never tell him that what he's doing is wrong, because you are the one that started it. He learned it from you. That is the legacy I'm talking about. That is the legacy I'm talking about. Because if you don't leave the good legacy for your children, they will follow your footsteps and they will never have rights. You never have mouths to correct them, because you are the one that started it. Bye-bye. You are the one that started it. So this is why we need to be cautious. When we are living that our lifestyle, we need to be cautious. We don't need to do things because we want to do things. You don't need to do things because it's my own time to shine. It's my life. Nobody have right to tell me what to do or what not to do. So you need to be cautious. You need to be careful. The kind of the lifestyle you live, the kind of the lifestyle you live, I guess of tomorrow, if your own time has passed, so that those people you leave behind will follow a good step, will follow and follow good step without following the bad way. It's very, very necessary. Okay? Please help me share the video. Share the live broadcast so that other people will come in. Okay, let's come in the side of the woman. If a woman, you are cheating on your husband, that one is worst. You know why African people said the man is better, but no one is better. Two of them is bad. The why they are using that one, because man see that even if today a woman take because of it leave him, a lot of women will rush him. But you will be a woman, they will scare. It will scare men away from you. They will be scared, because they will say tomorrow, even if another person comes to marry you, he may do the same thing. I know that women time always pass quick. That man, you see a man of 80 years can go there marry a girl of 20 years. Likewise, women know. There's some women will say even if they're old, they can see husband marry. But that does not mean that you go and be challenging a man or doing it in a way that, because you are bringing curse upon your life, you are bringing everlasting curse. You are bringing damages in your life. in that of your marriage, you are bringing back women. You are disrespecting your husband. You are disrespecting your husband's family. You are disrespecting the whole entire of your kingdom as well, and the womanhood. So guys, let me share myself. Please share this video, share the live broadcast if you are watching me from Facebook or YouTube, anywhere you are watching me. Please kindly help me share the video so that other people know that we are live now. Do you know what this cheating of things that have caused a lot of women today? When he loves a man and he believes this man is mine, we have agreed, I do. And you will be doing your possible best to make this marriage work for your best of your knowledge. At the end of the day, you will see a woman stay outside dragging your husband with you. Some are even go extremely far that they will shame, they don't have shame. Some will come to face, tell you that he cannot do anything. If you don't want to manage, he can leave your own home, your own man. Shame come up for women to the extent that they don't have shame. They will be telling the person that have husband, he can leave the marriage so that they can come in. You're forgetting that the day you start to open your leg for a man, if not mistake, even if it's a mistake, you correct that your mistake and repent and change and come out from it. For the day you open that your legs, start going around, is the day you damage your life. Because you are bringing curse upon your life. And you are a young lady, you are asking God to give you your own man. Okay, let us agree that God now bless you with a man, you marry, you get married. Then you are married, though. Then you will not fold your hands and watch your man too cheating on you, carry another. So how are you going to feel? Because those people that does this will never allow their husband to do such a thing. Even those people is the one that case. If it happen that their husband do it, they will do or do. But they will do undo. But it's sweeting them during their own time that they are enjoying their life. It's my life to live. I'm living my life. But when it comes to you, say you're eventually married, manage, God bless you with your husband. He will never allow that your husband to go to another woman. But during your own time, you are busy sleeping with other men. You are busy corrupting that man. You are busy corrupting that woman. You are busy promising her heaven and earth that you love him past her husband that married her, that gives her life to become a woman, give her life to become a missus. Then you are telling that woman, deceiving that woman with all kinds of things, giving you gifts, showing you love, fake love. Then let's say you're married. If you're a man or you're a woman, well, the cheating is both to side. I'm not talking about only a woman here. I told you that after I talk about women, man, I will come to women. Then you are busy doing all kinds of these things. You believe that when you got married, your woman will be sent. Where? You believe that when you got married to that woman will be sent. Only you go to chop her, go to eat her, you go to sweet you. But when you are not yet married, you are eating other people's wife, eating other people's pikin, eating other people's pikin. And when your own start growing, you will not like anybody to touch your pikin. Even you can never like to see any man talk to your pikin without coming of marriage. You would like to protect your own. forgetting the damages you have already caused. You have already caused. So this is why we have to be careful. We have to be careful the time we feel that we are I need to share myself. So that is the reason why we have to be careful what we do. Because sometimes nemesis is real. Karma is real. If that your woman costs you, go on her knees. Use the power of woman God have given to her. You can never see better. So we have to be careful. It causes a lot of things, a lot of damages, a lot of commotion, a lot of destruction, a lot of unhappiness, a lot of disastrous. If when you are telling people, they believe that it is their rights. Leave this one. This one, I don't even know what they talk. What did they talk? Forget that thing. You claim that you are an African person, you have the right to do it. The woman don't have right to do it. If you do finish, you come home, come meet them, abi. After you don't come meet, you carry that your bola where you take go suck. We go put them for someone's hole. Carry one come choose to come for your wife. Oh, you go still there, baby. I love you. You know that you are my sweetie, my honey. Without you, the best woman I have never seen. But you are cheating on her. You have the guts to come back home. Start praising her. Why you know that you are 4 hours ago, you are on top of another woman. Then you call house. You cook for your husband. You do the wife in the 4 hours ago. Another man was chopping your food, scattering it, and he will be giving that one very, very well. So that your husband will ask you, "Is I'm tired?" Because you have taken the strength, the power you have to give the man to eat his food very well, taking it to give another person outside there, that even your husband pursue you today, come out. That person cannot marry you. That person cannot give you that love it was giving you while you are in that man's house. He will never give you. Because he is deceiving you, giving you everything. He believes that, oh, my husband doesn't do me like this. You are the best man. He's deceiving you. It's bringing commotion in your family. It's bringing distortion in your home. It better quit and stop that. You better quit and stop that. Because if you don't stop it, you are bringing distortion upon your life. You are destroying that man. You are disturbing his image. You are disturbing his everything concerning that man. Not that you are destroying him. You are destroying the picture of your children. They will suffer it in due time. How? You ask me how? They will suffer it because tomorrow somebody might use it against them. This is why we have to be careful, more especially when we have kids. Respect ourselves, keep your dignity, keep your respect, keep everything concerns you, your privacy. If you say, you don't concern my children, it concerns them all. Why it concerns them? Because when they are going to be receiving insults from their fellow mates. When they are going to be receiving insult from their fellow mates, maybe you will not be there. Maybe you will not be there. You will not know what the children are passing through. Then you have learned the audio. You have learned the bags. You have keeping the bag legacy for them. Do you think that anywhere you are going to have peace? Because they will keep on costing you what you have cost, the price you have cost them. They keep on costing you the pence you have cost them. A lot of people said, it's not my children. You can, no, you have to stop it. You have to stop it, because whatever you learn, you are going to receive. God bless you. Okay, Kechimori, God bless you. Thank you so much for coming. Whatever you planted, if you are going to, that is what you are going to be harvest. Don't think that you plant a bad seed and expecting good seed. It's not possible. So if you are doing it, start amending your ways. It's done. You have enough time to amend your ways. Nothing is spoiled yet, because we make a lot of mistakes. We do it. Nobody is sent. It's only God is a sent. So we can amend our ways. We can change our lifestyle. It's not too late. And as I understand the preaching of the people that God is using to give us the word of God, understand that God says in the Bible, and people that give us that no sin is not forgiven. He forgive us. Even if we sin 170 times in a day, He forgive us. But not when you ask for forgiveness, you go back again. If you can be able to be listening to the preacher of Adadiche, this for Zion ministry, the man that God have used him to deliver his people, you see that man is a real teacher. He's teaching what he knows how to teach. He's teaching what God has directed him to be doing, and a lot of people are learning and having freedom from this kind of thing, this kind of fornication, adulterers, and all the rest. It cannot be married a wife and you are cheating. You say you are right to cheat. It's like, yeah, I'm a man. You don't have rights. I'm telling you the truth. Sleeping aside, more especially the worst part of it is that those that you're a man, you have your wife, will look at another man's wife, or sleeping with your brother's wife, and they are calling it nothing. When your woman talk, you say, make them bring the woman, make them nail them. You don't have right to talk. I'm the man of the house. I say what will happen in this house. Who are you to tell me what I do? Who are you to order me my own house? Who are you to be a judge to me? Who are you to judge me? You'll be asking a sort of nonsense questions. You'll be asking non-searchable questions, irrelevant questions. And you will be in the top of your sin, what you are doing, and you are there asking non-searchable questions. Who are you to talk to me? Don't you know that I'm the man of the house? I have every right to do whatever I'm doing. When you want any rights to do whatever you are doing. A lot of marriages today are divorced. They have many divorces. It does not mean that the woman is the cause. Some of them, the men are the cause, because they always like to cheat, and they are cheating. Some of them, if their woman talk anything, they will start beating that woman, insulting the family. More especially if it's the man that the one that's feeding or bringing extends for the woman family. The woman will not have mouth. He will be chopping shit. He will be chopping idiot nonsense in that marriage. You see some of them that marriage spoiled today because the woman may be the breadwinner of that family, will not tolerate that of it. You are in there, he's the one that doing all kinds of making the marriage to work, and he want to give her shit to chop, and she will say no, I cannot eat this shit. You see, that is why you see a lot of marriages today. How this is what cheating can bring in that marriage. Can bring also divorce. It can bring also quarreling all the time. You see that some men are going extremely far that they cheat on their wife with somebody the wife knows very well. Even some go far to even sleep with their mates, go far to sleep with their mother-in-law, go far to sleep with their sister-in-law, go far to sleep with their husband, wife's friends. Is it not an insult? So when you are doing this, you expect the woman to be laughing, call you honey, sweetie, you are the best man. You are wrong, man. You are not the best man. And don't expect that woman to be clapping hands for you or be happy. It brings unhappy. I have said it before. Unhappiness. It brings unhappiness. The woman can never love you unless you change. He can never love you. That is why everybody is on style. Some women cannot bear it. They end it. Because they believe that you guys have taken oaths. Because that day you are giving your wife ring. You are promising heaven and earth. She's promising you. You don't need that day is the day you are handing over to her. Then they are handing over her to you. So you don't have any right to go talk to another person that you did not give ring. It did not, even if you don't give your wife, but you did not give drink to show us your wife, show us your husband. That one you are doing outside with, did you show anybody about that person? Did you show us? No. So you see why you don't need to cheat. You see why you don't need to cheat. You see why? Because if you see those people are doing this thing, they can never do it. But let's do want to become polygamy. Like you and the China. As you don't hide, they don't quarrel. Now you want the boss out, you want to become polygamy. Just ask the first time to come and ask the whole world. Since then, and I see how his life is right now. Even if you think that he's living best life, but he is the legacy he have lived down now. For his children are watching, the family are watching, the relative are watching. In future, how is all those displaying all those things? How is it going to be when your children have grown up, become somebody? Which your children have grown up already, become someone. You see that those children are going to go under trauma. People, a lot of their mates are going to be sorting them because the picture is all over, the videos is all over. So you are thinking about yourself now and not thinking about your children, about the children you are bringing out. How are they going to feel in future, even when you are no more? We don't think about. So that is this why whenever we are doing things, you need to think about which kind of legacy, which kind of things, example, I'm living if I'm no more. Good evening, Faith. Good evening, welcome. Now, Faith, welcome for your Facebook. Thank you so much for coming. So you need to think about. Some of us don't reason this. So this is what cheating in marriage can bring. This is what cheating in marriage can cost. It can cause damages by that marriage to be dissolved. It can cause damages for that man. He can easily contact diseases. If you're a woman, it can easily contact HIV, diseases, sickness. I wonder even that day when you finish with that woman outside, the same day you come back, carry the same bola, he go carry on the same bola, enter the same bed, begin to tell my wife I love you, begin to do your wife something. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Robert. The same day you have the God, the mind, the density, the authority, the power. You will see that day, you will see chop your wife with the same thing you go chop with another woman. When you don't know whether you get something we put inside that place. Where you kill your wife. You bring distortion. It can destroy your wife's life. The woman is at home, thinking that the husband is with her, without knowing that the husband, you don't go carry what you go kill him. You forget that sometimes that woman might, a desperate women that aside there can skip away your wife. Because any desperate woman you are dating with, you are following, sleeping around, the one that want to deal with you will deal with you. This is what damages it can cause. It will deal with you. Sometimes something that happened to some men, they will be questioning their wife. You are the one that killed my brother. You are the one that killed my son. But you don't know that your son are the one that killed himself. Your son is the one that bring commotion, destruction upon himself, bring causes. He caused what happened to him. A lot of women are passing through hell in marriage. The same thing with some men are passing through hell in marriage. In order to protect their marriage, they will be hiding. They will be covering up. You that are covering, they are covering up. What is your how did you try to stop that your husband are covering for you? How did you try to stop that your wife is covering for you? For people not to laugh at her. You keep on doing it. But believe that nothing may get. It's my life. I'm living my life. You don't have anything. You don't have the right to tell me how to live my life. You know that is not your life. Nobody owns any life. Nobody owns any life. We don't own any life. So you start amending your way now as you're watching this video. Please help me share this with every platform. Invite people to come in. You are watching in Facebook, share this video, watching in YouTube, share this broadcasting. Like I said, Saturday, Sunday, every Saturday, Sunday, come in here. 9 African time, 8 p.m. Italian time, 7 p.m. Italian time, 7 p.m. 8 p.m. African time, 7 p.m. But very soon our time is going to change with same time with African time. So it's going to be 7 p.m. Then we'll do it 2 hours program. It is okay. So this is what it can cause, a lot of commotion. It can cause a lot of things. So if you are the type doing such, you need to stop and embrace God. Do good thing. Your marriage is too sweet that you don't need to involve yourself in the name of you want to eat life, want to chop life. You are living a life. You are living, it's my life, I'm living my life. You don't have any right to tell me how to live my life. You don't have any right to tell me how to live my life. It's not your life, my dear. Nobody owns life. Okay? So guys, I will be breaking now. Coming back, I'll come back again. Let me go break for 5 minutes. I'm back because I told you I start by 8 Italian time. I'm going to end by 10. That's 2 hours. So I need to go break. Let me go break and come back for 5 minutes or I'll come back again. Okay, guys? So share the video. When I come back, we'll continue the program. Okay? So this is how I'm going to be doing it. We'll have to go break. After we have speak like 1 hour and something. So we'll have to go break for 5 minutes and come back again. Thank you so much for watching. Okay? Share, like, and subscribe and